Hello and welcome back to Online Khan Market. Friends, we all know that faculties plays a crucial role when it comes to UPSC IAS journey. Therefore, if you're searching for the best civil engineering optional IAS faculty, then please watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you where you can find the best faculty and I'll talk about the top 2 institutions for the same. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video and kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Alright, at rank 1 we have the Plutus IAS Coaching. Friends, Plutus IAS Coaching has a great faculty and they have a great pool of teachers for their students. Their teachers are expert and masters in the field of their subject and therefore they impart the knowledge in a very effective manner that every student understand what the faculty is trying to teach. Apart from this academic aspect, their faculties are also very cooperative and understand the needs and requirements of the students and also make sure that every doubt raised by any student is clear to them and therefore they give the best training of any subject you ask for, especially in the regard when you are talking about the optional subjects of IAS. Therefore, you should definitely go ahead and try the Plutus IAS. Let's discuss and explore more idea about Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS coaching classes is the destination for the student preparing for UPSC and especially this optional subject. It ensures optimum utilization of resources and energy of students in the direction of success. It has been evident from the 20 plus years of experience in teaching that they provide learning strategies to the student by the teaching techniques in order to ensure the best outcome for the students. Moreover, they have been providing education through online as well as offline mode to build a reputation in the field of coachings of the country. Alright, now let's move to the learning environment of this institution. The coaching institute has designed a unique teaching facility to the students in order to enhance their productivity and allow an increment in their existing knowledge and capabilities. Meaning, it provides an overall teaching session related to all relevant topics of the subject. Further, it has an efficient learning environment to induce them towards studies and helps to reduce the confusion among them related to the preparation for examination. They also have various features like online classes, offline classroom facility which has just begun, interactive sessions, doubt clearing sessions and current affairs classes as well apart from your core classes. So friends, the next institution for the best faculty where you can get for this subject is the Yojana IAS Coaching Institution. Friends, before telling me what the faculty is all about, let's discuss the contact details. So the email ID includes info@yojanaias.com and their contact number is 8595390705. Alright, so friends, Yojana IAS is an institute that was established with an aim of helping students for the competitive exam and not their own profit, and therefore the faculty here is extremely selfless and devote their entirety to the students and making them learn each and every concept so that students are very clear with what they are actually learning. This institute was established with an honest vision and the main motive is to provide students aspiring for UPSC with the best of the resources and education, and therefore they also have the top-notch faculty. In this coaching institution, you get the coaching in both English and Hindi medium. There are many coaching in the entire country and most of them call themselves the best. However, Plutus IAS and Yojana IAS are always the top 2 coaching institution when it comes to IAS and UPSC optional subjects preparation. Friends, their courses includes a lot of things like daily current affairs, counseling sessions, study material which are prepared by these faculty members by great details and study. So friends, Yojana IAS is definitely the right choice. So friends, these were our top 2 institutions, the Plutus IAS Coaching and the Yojana IAS Coaching when it comes to the best optional faculty for the civil engineering examinations in UPSC. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding both of these institutions, and you can definitely go ahead and try these institutions for yourself as they also have demo classes so you can try them and also decide for yourselves if these institutions are good for you or not. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.